How to install apps on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store from your dock or your launchpad. Once open, tap on the search bar in the top left to find the app that you are looking forward to download. For instance, I will type in WhatsApp. You can also browse by categories like productivity, education, or games. Now, tap on the Get or Price button next to the app that you want to download and then tap on the Download button. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or Touch ID to confirm. So go ahead and confirm it, and with this, the download will begin. Wait for the download to complete, and once installed, the app goes straight to your application folders. You can open it from your Launchpad, Finder, or just search for it with Spotlight. That is Command plus Space. And if you downloaded an app from the web, just drag it into the Applications folder and double click to open it. So this is how you can install apps on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.